Have you ever looked at your craft supplies and thought, I want to create something meaningful again, but I don't know where to begin? Or maybe you miss the feeling of slowing down and making something with your hands just for the joy of it. That's exactly why I created something brand new called the Sunshine Stitch Society. And today I want to invite you to join me. Hello there, all of my Sunshine Creative sisters. It's Marcia. Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. And if you're brand new here, I wanted to just take a brief moment to talk about what I do here on my channel, what you'll find. And maybe this will be somewhere that you'd like to return to. So I like to talk about slow living, slowing down, and not because I'm getting into my vintage years, but because life is hectic and stressful, don't you think? So I like to share ideas that are easy and simple. Anyone can do it. But yet at the same time, even if you're someone who is an experienced paper crafter or stitcher, it's something that refreshes you and can unlock your creativity just to watch someone else creating something. And lately I have been thinking a lot about how many women probably are saying deep somewhere inside that they quietly are missing their creative time. Not because they don't have the desire anymore to be creative, but because life is busy and stressful, and you can get caught up in the day-to-day and the overwhelm of it all, whether it's even anything to do with you personally. If it's something to do with a loved one, then that's going to impact you. And sometimes we simply forget that creativity can still belong in our life, in our world. So I wanted to create something gentle, something meaningful, something that feels like an old-fashioned creative club that we all belong to together. Kind of like receiving that cherished card or note in the mail from a dear friend that maybe you don't get to see all the time or you don't get to talk to all the time. Well, I'm going to introduce you today to my new Sunshine Stitch Society. It's a year-long collection of tiny embroidery hexagon badges. You can earn one every month, and it's just one simple thing that you're going to learn from this, and that is a new embroidery stitch every month. So if I can turn the page here, and it's going to have its own little creative design, just like what you see here on this example, and they're made for you to be able to collect them. So at the end of the year, you're going to have 12. So we're starting in May. So by the end of May 2027, you will have 12 of these adorable little badges. And it's more than just an embroidery pattern. It's about slowing down again. It's about creating small moments of peace. It's about rediscovering creativity one tiny stitch at a time. And whether you're a fabric, textile artist, or a paper crafter, greeting card, scrapbooker, junk journaler, creator, this new little journey is going to be for you as well. I've purposely designed it so that it fits beautifully into both worlds. Just like my cute little basket here that I've crocheted out of fabric years ago. And you see how I can put all of these little projects that I've made through the years neatly tucked into my little project bag, a little basket, so that I can enjoy them and collect them, just like they were my own little badges of creativity right here in front of me that I can look at and be that brings me joy just to be able to see them and have them nearby, and to remind me of just how creative my little heart is. So as you can see in this image here, it's designed this first series of the month. The first badge is called Begin. And I think it's the perfect place to start, don't you? The design features a tiny little cottage, some soft little flowers, the word hope, and it's not made for you to think that you have to perfectly duplicate this. It's just simple inspiration. It will have its own little instruction page like you see here. There's going to be a cozy little story and creative prompts. Almost like receiving that creative letter in the mail that I mentioned earlier from your friend. So think of this from me as your creative email gift from me every month. So I know that so many women are craving that slower, softer way to spend some time, no matter what time of the day it is, no matter what day of the week it is, no matter what season of the year you are in. There's no pressure with this. There's no scrolling. There's no noise. It's just something comforting, something meaningful, and something handmade. You remember my little Pocket of Hope project that we did together? If you didn't join me for that project, I will link it at the end of this video. And I think it's something that you would really benefit from. And that's really the heart that was behind this project. It's a pocket of hope. It's about beginning anywhere, not just a new beginning, beginning again, being creative again. You don't need any fancy supplies. You don't need to be an expert stitcher. You don't even need to have perfect stitches, because heaven knows I don't have any. It's just a willingness to begin again. So if this sounds like something your heart has been needing, I would love for you to join my new little Sunshine Makers Club email list and start receiving your badge every month and be a part of our Sunshine Stitch Society. You can subscribe to my Creative Moments email list below and receive your first badge this month. You get your story page and your pattern all rolled into one. And if you enjoy cozy, creative, slowing down, slowly stitching, paper crafting, storytelling, and gentle inspiration, then I also would love for you to subscribe to my channel here and become a part of my little creative community. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today in this creative moment. And remember to keep smiling and creating softly and gently in the sunshine. And I will see you in the next video. I look forward to reading your comments, what you think about my new little Sunshine Stitch Society, and what you think about the badge, the first badge of the month. Let me know in the email when you receive it and open it. Bye-bye.